In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with USAA Mobile in 2025. Now, if you're considering USAA for your banking needs, you've made a great choice. They offer a variety of benefits designed for military personnel and their families, making it a convenient option for those who are eligible. Let's get started on setting up that checking account. First, you'll want to locate the USAA mobile application. The easiest way to find this is by heading to your preferred web search engine and typing in USAA Mobile. Once you see the right link, click on it to begin the download process for the USAA Mobile app. The application is available on various platforms such as iOS and Android depending on your device. Make sure you're downloading the official app to ensure security and functionality. After successfully downloading and installing the app on your device, go ahead and open it. Once you're inside the app, look for the banking option. This section will give you access to all the banking services provided by USAA. Click on it to proceed. At this stage, you'll be able to view different banking product options. Now, to become a member and gain access to the checking account services, you need to select membership. This section provides information about the benefits and services USAA offers to its members. Look for and click on Join USAA. Joining USAA is an essential step because it confirms your eligibility and grants you access to their various products. Once you've chosen to join, the next step is to apply for your checking account. Look for the option labeled Apply for Checking and click on it. Following this, you'll be guided through the application process. Make sure you have all the necessary information ready, such as your personal and financial details, to complete your application smoothly. At this point, you should be well on your way to owning a checking account with USAA. Their system will process your information, and once approved, you'll receive confirmation with all the details you need to start managing your new account. That's all there is to it. Remember, having your personal documents on hand and ensuring you're eligible to join USAA will make the process faster and more efficient. If you run into any issues, USAA's customer service is always available to help. Thank you for watching, and congratulations on taking the step towards managing your finances with a USA checking account.